Hi Eamon. So quick run through the assignment 2. I have this run on my own device now, G6, which I think is running Android 9.1, I think. So we open the app and the splash screen opens first, splash activity, and it comes to log in. So we'll try log in with the user that doesn't exist at the moment. Log in, we should get a toast message saying sign up failed. So we'll click the not registered. And we can register that user there now. And once successfully registered, it should go back to the login activity. There are a few bugs in this application which I'll talk about as I go through it, which I'm hoping to have time to look at. And there we go, the user is logged in. So first bug is with the bottom navigation, you can see down here the ring for it, it's missing on add ring for it, but it shows on the emulator, so I'll need to try fix that. I'll just go into the user settings to show the stats here. So we've no ring for it, no visitors, and visit progress bar is empty at the moment. Map should also be empty. That's actually another bug. Yeah, so I have it going to the wrong activity in the settings page. Try to look at that as well. So what we can do is we can add a ring for it. So I'll just put in a dummy one for the moment. Press save. There's the first one saved. We can go in and edit that then. Add an image. Update the location. So at the moment it's picking up my home address. So save. Go down by the brass crock. Have a drink. Have I visited? I'll select this one. Pick a date. I can set the rating to my liking. I'll go 3 stars, and here's the favorite button here. I'm going to add it as a favorite and click save. Now you'll see the issue that was there was it didn't go back to the activity page. I have an issue with the images for some reason. If I go to create another ring for it just to show that bug, this is test 2. I now select an image. It resets the field. And if I press save now, it should do the same as last time where it shouldn't go back. But it is saving. Now if I create a ring for it, hill for it even, test 3, I'll fill in a bit of other information. I'll say we favorite this one and we visit that one, press save, it works. So I have an issue with the images there for some reason, I'm not too sure why. So if we go on the map, we should see those now. We don't. Hold on, just select the location. Save. Save. Maps. So we can see there's test 3. Test, which is the first one. So again, because they added the image, it's not updating the map for some reason. Favorites works here, so if we toggle the favorite button, so I had 2 favorites. So just to prove that's working, we have test as a favorite. I'll undo that undo that as a favorite. Save. Again, that issue with the image. Now we're only seeing 1. So search also works. We've test 1. Test 1, test 2, test 3. So if I put in another one, just for argument's sake, if I put the search A, only shows the A. And we're back. We're going to the user settings now. We have 4 in total. We have 2 visitors, and the progress bar is updated. There's also a bug with changing the user settings here. If I change the email address, it saves it, but then I'm not allowed to log back in again for some reason, so I need to have a look at that as well. You'll see there we have the option to share ring for it or delete, so delete one. test has been deleted. We can share this one. As you can see, you can share it through multiple options here. If I just do don't want to copy the clipboard, where is the telephone as a message? Oh, sorry, messaging. You can see there's the checkout string forward, the name is test2, description, I didn't have a description in, there was no rating in it, location is set as well. So what I'll actually do is I'll go back just to make sure that's getting, we'll update some of the stuff here. So we give the 3 rating, what else do we need? Description, I'll write down DSC. I don't think that affects it. So now if we go in and share, messaging again. There we go, subscription is in, the rating is in, the location is there. Wait, play my own phone number. I use my wife's phone number, so she'll be wondering why she's getting a message about ring forts. But that sends away then. Is there anything else I need to show in here? So the app is working with Firebase. Okay, yeah, I can log out. We log out. I'll just log in with another user. bbb@bbb1.com. Why I'm logging in with this user is this user was pre having any issues with the images. So we can see the 3 of them are loading there. So this one was called B, this one was called Buddy Gunner, this one was called C. Actually, I messaged myself. I don't know why my wife's name is under my number. That's a bit strange. So just show the test working again. We've B, we've Buddy Gunner, and we've B. So if we do that, we should see 2 Bs. If we go a step further, we should only have Buddy Gunner now. Close it. Go back again. Landscape mode lets the user know they've changed. You can see the toast message there. It's working in landscape mode. And if we switch back on the list view, we should get a toast message saying we're going back to portrait. Change the portrait view. And there was one more thing I was meant to say in this and I cannot remember. Oh yeah, so in user settings, so the animation I have on this page, when we press the back button, it's fade in, fade out. There we go. The other ones are standard. As you can see, you kind of jump into that activity. This one just nice fade in, fade out. That's it, Eamon. So sure, I'll talk to you when you get it for the demo. Thanks.